So this is the computer box of the Ford Everest 2014. As you can see, it's got like RTV around it. It's really sealed to where I think you're not supposed to service this, but I thought I had no choice. I opened it up, with a little bit of force, carefully, so that the I don't further damage any of the board. But as you can see, water and mud seeped in, and it got soaked in there. It stayed there for like about 2 weeks before I get to open this thing. So it started to cause some rusting around it. But I already cleaned this with the lacquer flow. So I'm just hoping that that'll work. Also, this board, I'm supposed to get it off, turn it upside down, and here, this portion here, I'm sure the under part of this has oil. Has clay and some bit of rust, which I really want to get into and clean it, but I cannot pry off this board right here. I tried on this side. It went up a little bit, but it's holding this part too hard that I don't want to force it. That might further damage the computer box. So I thought, just soak it in there with lacquer flow for like a day or two, and hope for the best. Observing around here, I didn't see much damage, although there's a lot of discoloration on that part right there. There's discoloration. I'm just hoping, but there's nothing I can do about it. Just hoping for the best. And so I'm going to soak this for 2 days while I'm cleaning the actual car. So I'll take a video of that too. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you very much.